learn about AI, educate yourself about it, read more books, watch more videos, attend workshops, do anything you like to do to learn more about AI. Whatever medium it is, just do it. AI is an efficiency tool that needs to be wielded by a well-trained human and can be used tremendously effectively in your own life and job, so learn to use it properly. Identify tasks that can be automated, so take a close look at your current job and even your life and see what things that AI can help you with. Start thinking about how you can use AI to improve your workflow, and that way you can also see which career paths might get automated by AI faster. Start using AI tools. Begin interacting with different AI tools and software. There's so many free and paid tools available that you can use to automate tasks, optimize code, streamline your processes. Stay up to date with the latest AI developments. The AI industry is evolving rapidly, and it's important to stay ahead of the curve, so attend conferences, join industry groups, and finally, and most importantly, embrace collaboration and being human. AI still can't be human, and we need to collaborate with so many people as software engineers, QA, DevOps, product managers, project managers. AI can't replace the human creativity and innovation that we get from actual collaboration. Remember, AI is not a threat, but an opportunity to improve our lives and work, at least for now.